cocktail. Here to talk about raising money for a good cause is Ed Herman from Brown and Crouppen. Ed, nice to see you this morning.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Yeah, you know, a lot of people, we don't usually make a big deal about it, but we do a tremendous amount of charity work at Brown and Crouppen, and we try to encourage other companies to do the same. And with it being Breast Cancer Awareness Month coming up next month, I've worn my
look at you,
my Brown and Crouppen Breast Cancer Awareness shirt. And this shirt was actually a part of a fundraiser that 4 women in our office put together. They just participated in the 3-day Walk for the Cure, which took place up in Michigan. And if you've never heard of this, it's really amazing. They walk for 3 consecutive days, 20 miles every single day, to raise money for breast cancer research through the Susan Komen Foundation.
We have some pictures of that.
Yeah, this is great. I mean, in case you had any reason to doubt. And I mean, to even participate in this, there's an entry fee for a team of 4 of just under $10,000.
Right.
And they raised all of that money through their own efforts, a lot of them through our office, in a variety of ways. Pizza sales, T-shirt sales, you know, putting a jar out in the front.
Right on
we
the lobby,
auctioned off Cardinal tickets, and we auctioned off vacation days, and they actually raised more money than they needed and went and did the walk. They came back with blisters like you wouldn't believe. But
sunburned,
everybody was
yeah,
so proud of what they did, and it inspired other people in our office. We have a team for the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation, the JDRF. They're doing a walk on October 3rd, and yesterday our office was treated to a spectacular taco luncheon that a few people put together, and then they charged everybody $5 to participate.
To raise money.
And they raised an amazing amount of money, because in our firm, all you have to do is say the word tacos. and we'll line up.
Who do I make it out to? You know, there's a lot of other big companies, firms in the St. Louis area that would probably like to get more on the philanthropic bandwagon. What do you suggest for those companies?
You know, it's not that difficult, and it doesn't require just writing huge checks, and I think a lot of people think that's what it's about. It's amazing how many people really want to get involved in charities. Our firm tries to do something every single month, and the ideas always come from people who work at the firm. It's causes that they're passionate about, whether it's animal rescue. We've done Habitat for Humanity 7 years in a row. That's an easy one to start, because they really need your time more than your money. And people love to do it. So, you know, as a company, I think you encourage it. You let people take off of work to do a day at Habitat for Humanity and bond with their coworkers. Let me tell you, it's a win-win for everybody. It's great for the charity. Employees, they love it. They want to do things like that. It's very fulfilling for them. And they like working with us because we have an atmosphere that encourages that. I mean, we're in a, whether people believe it or not, we are in a caring profession that takes care of people at their lowest, it's a lot of times the lowest time of their life.
Sure.
And we have tons of employees who just care, and they want to do something. So you just, if you foster that, let them do something every month, whether it's a walk, a sale, you know, whatever it may be, and you just get so much out of it.
Yeah. Managers, bosses, give them the flexibility and the ability to make that happen.
And participate, because like when Terry Crouppen or the team of us, we give out a couple of 100 turkeys every year at Thanksgiving, Christmas, and when they see it coming from the top, you know, it makes people want to do it even more.
Yeah, we appreciate it. You guys are doing good work. Keep it up. What's the name of the team that the ladies formed, by the way?
They call their team Saving Second Base, which I know.
Saving Second Base.
Yeah, which is
took
kind
me
of
about
cute.
60 minutes to piece together why that's funny. When you figure it out, write us on Facebook. Breast cancer research, Carol's looking at me with a Saving Second Base.
Got it.
Second Base. I didn't come up with the name. This is all them.
I know. He's
Got it.
blushing just because I made him say it. Thank you very much for being here. And remember, if you have a legal question for